What's up, guys? Not much. Chilling. Working on the EP, as you can see. So yeah, I know a lot of you guys were like, hey, look, get some RSX videos out. We're tired of seeing this piece of crap EP. We want to see the RSX ripping. Alright, it's coming. So I figured, why not just make a video tonight? I'm sitting here working on the car. And a common question I get from a lot of you guys is, what exhaust do I run on my car? You know, I want something that's, you know, quiet on the daily, but not too quiet that I can't, you know, still sound like I kind of got something done to it. So, but I also want to, when I step on it, I want it to be loud, but I don't want drone and I don't want rasp. But it's like, the only way to get that is to kind of do a custom exhaust, because if you get a quiet exhaust, you're right, it's going to be good in the street, it's going to be good in the daily. It might hold you back a little bit power-wise, but that's not too worried about it. And then two, but it's not gonna be loud when you want it. It's not gonna have any rasps. Okay, you get the straight pipe exhaust, it's gonna scream. Your power is gonna be there. It's gonna pull strong, but it's loud 24/7. So it's like, what do I do? And then it's gonna be raspy because it's loud. So I kind of got a couple exhausts laying around. I got a Q300. I got a straight piped exhaust, and I have my own custom exhaust built for my car. So between these three exhausts, I'm going to do an exhaust video. I'll do like a rev to 3,000, you know, I'll do a pull, and then I'll kind of do like a little cruise section for it for a second, just to kind of see how it is. Kind of just getting on and off the throttle, maybe at like 60, so you guys can kind of get an idea of how it sounds between like a straight pipe exhaust, a Q300, and then like a custom exhaust. So if those three kind of will give you a good idea of what it sounds like, because the Q300 is a good exhaust, it's got a good size diameter, but also it's quiet. The problem with the Q300 is it's not loud anytime. Like, it's a performance exhaust, but it's basically a stock exhaust. You're getting some power, but it's still quiet, and you're still holding back a little bit of power compared to straight pipe and a custom exhaust. So I guess I'll quit the talking, because you guys don't care. You just want to see the pulls and the exhaust. So alright, I'll throw those in here. I guess maybe I'll start out with the Q300 since it's the quietest. I don't know. Alright, so later guys. We're rolling video footage. Peace. kind of get a good sound of, what's what. The Q300 didn't drone at all. It was pretty quiet, pretty good actually. Really good daily driver exhaust, but you lose that, that top end feel, and you don't have that talk behind it. So, and you're a little less powerful. The custom exhaust, kind of best of both worlds. It's not too loud on the top end, but it's not too loud on the daily, but it's, just loud enough. And then your straight pipe exhaust is just loud all the time. I mean, I don't know how people drive like that. I got a headache just doing the video because I was like, oh my God, this is so loud. But yeah, guys, more RSX stuff coming. I don't know what I'm about to do with it yet. I guess I'm keeping it, but for the time being, give me some ideas of what I could do to the RSX. I'm kind of stuck because I got this car, that's the project car, but I might get some new wheels for it. So if you guys have any wheel suggestions on, some nice wheels for the RSX, let's get those. Or should I put a cage in it? I've been thinking about that too, just making my own cage for the car. Had some time, I can weld it up, it's not that big of a deal, but let me know if you guys think we should do some wheels on the RSX, ditch the RPF ones, or I don't know, get some other wheels, who knows. Or even paint the RPF ones. If you got a cool color you think we should paint them or something like that. I'm just kind of bored with the car, I don't really know what to do next. Or just throw a cage in it. So, alright guys, new videos coming soon. Not sure what's next, but peace.